Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that dual token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, dual is the tokenization engine for real world assets. Hold programmable tokens for anything from currencies and loyalty points to real estate, treasuries and physical products. Production ready enterprises grade infrastructure that scale from simple assets to complex use cases. Dual is the utility token that powers the ecosystem. Businesses, creatives, and developers fund their projects by depositing Dual or using USD, which is converted into Dual via the open market. Dual token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 7.29 billion. Dual token is listed on Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.